Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to increase volume in Audacity. I have an audio clip, so let's play it. In Audacity there are several ways to increase the volume depending on whether you... So do you notice that the volume is very low in this audio clips? If you simply want the whole track to sound louder without the permanently changing the waveform, you need to use the gain slider on the left side of the track, which is called track control panel. So for this you need to slide the knob towards the plus sign and now play it. In Audacity there are several ways to increase the volume depending on whether you want. So this affects how you hear the track in Audacity, but it can lead to clipping distortions if pushed too high. So let me undo that. So the second method is Amplify Effect, which is the permanent change method. To Amplify Effect is the standard way to increase the volume of selected portion of the audio. So first you need to highlight the area you want to change. For example, this one, or you can press the Ctrl A to select the whole track. Then go to the effect and click on the volume and compression and click on the amplify. Audacity will automatically calculate the highest amount you can increase the volume without causing distortion or clipping. So if you want to go louder than the safe limit, you must check the box allow clipping through. It is usually not recommended as it ruins sound's quality. And now play it. In Audacity there are several ways to increase the, like this one. Let me undo that. Moreover, there is normalization effect. It is a great for the bringing the volume up to the standard professional level across the entire file. For this you need to select the entire track and go to the effect and click on the volume and compression and click on the normalize. So make sure normalize peak amplitude to should be -1 dB and now click apply. This ensures your audio is as loud as possible without hitting the 0 dB distortion ceiling. And now let's play it. In Audacity there are several ways to increase the volume depending on whether you want to boost the entire track or just a specific section. Moreover, always keep an eye on the playback meter at the top of the screen. If the bars turns red, your volume is too high and the audio will sound crunchily or distorted. Aim for the peak to stay between -6 dB to -3 dB. So this way you can easily increase the volume in Audacity. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.